Hello dear friends, welcome to Tech channel. In this video, I will show you how to delete your search history on Instagram. So, watch the video till the end. Also subscribe the channel and turn on your notification. Okay, open Instagram account, click your profile account, and click the menu, click account center. After click account center, click your information and permission. Um, Click search story. Click keep search for um, very easy auto clear search history. For example, 3 day and confirm. Okay, we can automatically clear your searches that are older, that your selected time frame your choice will be applied to all your accounts and profiles in account center. For example, 7 days to confirm, auto clear search history and confirm, and your select the field. You choose your own opinion. Very easy. Please like the video and subscribe the channel. Tag on tag.